Kevin, what are you doing?
I'm hanging my fish up to dry, silly.
That has got to be the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. You don't hang fish out to dry.
You don't?
No, stupid. You put them in the dryer. Now, come on, take those fish down and come with me.
Okay.
Alistair, did you finally finish washing and drying those fish that you and your father caught?
Yeah, Mom, but remember when I put them in the dryer?
Yes, dear.
Well, I must have had the heat set on too high. Because they shrank.
Oh, dear, Alistair, those are too small to eat now.
Yeah, so that's why I'm going back to the lake and throw them in.
Good idea. Thank you, dear.
Hey, Park, what are you doing?
Picking worms.
Oh, you're not going to put those in the burgers, are you?
No way. I'm going fishing. Boy, these worms are fresh. The burgers? That's another can of worms altogether.
You know, I used to really like going fishing with my dad. But then they built this factory upriver, and all the fish seem to die. And that really worries me, all this pollution, all the soap and chemicals they keep dumping into our lakes and rivers, not to mention our oceans. And then there's air pollution with all those big smokestacks and acid rain. We're going to have to do something with this pollution.
You know, Lisa, I was standing over there listening to what you were saying, and I really agree with you.
Oh, well, thank you, Missy.
Yeah, I do, except you forgot one major form of pollution.
Oh, well, what's that?
Noise pollution.
Now, class, as we are going on a field trip, I think it is most important that we know the basics of nature. Can anyone tell me what are the 4 natural elements of the universe?
Oh.
Lisa.
Earth.
Right.
Hey.
That's one. Kevin.
Air.
Yeah, that's right. That's 2. Christine.
Fire.
Right. And now, Vanessa. Can you tell me what the 4th element is?
Yeah, but I'm not going to.
Well, Vanessa, either you tell me what the 4th element is, or you tell me you don't know.
Well, either way, I get something dumped on me. Okay, water.
It's moments like these that make teaching worthwhile.
What you reading?
Oh, well, it's a book about birds. I'm reading up on what to feed them.
You know, Bar feeds sparrows all the time.
Really?
Yeah, to us. What do you think's in the burgers?
Dad, what does Thanksgiving really mean?
Thanksgiving, Vanessa? It's a time to give thanks and to celebrate the bounty of nature.
How?
By killing a turkey and eating it. But, mind you, we do things different around this place.
Well, in what way?
Well, we seem to celebrate Thanksgiving by having a bunch of turkeys over to eat. Oh, that's the door. You better get it. It's probably your mother's turkey relatives.
Look, there are a lot of worse things you could be other than a sleeping bag. I mean, you could be a pillow or even a pincushion. Oh, what did you think about it?
Lisa.
What are you doing? Well, trying to cheer up the sleeping bag.
Well, why would you want to cheer up a sleeping bag?
Because my dad says it's a down sleeping bag.
A down sleeping bag, Lisa?
Yeah.
You need help. A lot of help.
Down. Boy, is that ever bad? You know, whoever writes this stuff really needs a holiday. They should get out and enjoy nature like I'm going to do.
Hold it, young lady. Back. Just where do you think you are going?
Outside to play.
You can't. We got a show to do.
Oh, no. Sorry, Ross. Listen, you taught me one and only one thing over the past few years.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
How to end the show. Roll the closing credits.
Don't you dare. No. I told you not to.
Sorry about that, Ross.
Hey, listen, you guys. No, you're not. Hey, listen, she can...
after that on television has been a Call of Nature production. That's it. I have had it with the city. Crime, urban problems. I'm getting us all out of here. We're packing up, and I'm getting us back to nature.
But, Dad, we don't like the country.
You mean to tell me you don't want to milk cows and pluck chickens and bale wire and fix fences and get up at 5:30 in the morning and work till 9 at night? On second thought, what's on TV tonight, Alistair?